Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Glossybox. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, for today's video, unboxing Glossybox May 2022. So if you're new to this subscription box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.25, and every month you will receive 5 beauty products from skincare to makeup. If you want to subscribe to Glossybox, I have my referral code, which is Jayca, Jayca, and you will get this box for only £10. As always, lovelies, all the info, all the link will be in the description box below. So let's open. So for this month box is quite different. It's not their usual pink box, but this month it's designed box, and it says perfectly imperfect. It's a really pretty box. I really like the color, like an orangey yellowish color, and there's a logo of Glossybox here, and it says Glossybox in here. And then, ooh, this is so cute. At the back of the lid, lovelies, we have like a mirror. You just need to take off the plasticky here. I won't show you, lovelies. I don't really want to blind you. And it says you are beautiful, in different language too, so I can't pronounce those words. But this is so pretty. This is really helpful, and it's quite big. It's all over the lid, the mirror. And then we have the rosy ribbon. And then we have, oh, this is so nice. We have stickers. And it says, for every rainy day, there is a rainbow. Self-love juice, 100%. Glossybox, do what makes you happy. I really do like this one. You are enough. And then self-love, reminder. This is another in different language too. So cute. This is really a nice ad. And then we have the Scan Me. And this month, as you can see, the theme is perfectly imperfect. So let me scan this one, lovelies, which is the QR code. So it's opening the magazine here, and let's see the sneak peek for next month. Really want to see what product we will receive next month. So for next month, lovelies, theme will be the summer rendezvous. And it says the summer is always full of endless possibilities, and our June summer rendezvous edit is filled with all the must-have for every spontaneous summer adventure you could imagine, inspired by classic French style and beauty. Next month's box is made up of 5 beauty treats that will have you dreaming of the beautiful beaches of the French Riviera. Oh la la! It says the first sneak peek to help you achieve this dream: the stunningly chic shea butter hand cream from luxury French brand L'Occitane. I love L'Occitane. This award-winning super smoothing balm penetrates quickly to protect, nourish, and moisturize hand, essential for home, work, and on the go. So yes, can't wait to this one. But also, lovely, in this booklet we have some sneak peek for limited edition boxes that's coming next month. So next month we will have the grooming kit for the Father's Day, which will be available on the 3rd of June, which is Friday. And in this box we will get some of the big names, which is the Molton Brown, Neal's Yard, and Refinery. So here we go. But also, lovely, so excited for this one. On the Thursday of 13th of June, there will be a collaboration with Glossybox, which is with the Flat Lake Co. And this one is the one thing we love about summer's booking a getaway and having a holiday to look forward to. But even if our plans are to stay at home, what better warm weather companion is there than a Glossybox summer bag? This year we paired up with the Flat Lake Co. to bring you a summer bag that's bursting at the seam with beauty bites perfect for for poolside, pampering, sunning yourself on staycation, and golden evenings glam up to the nines. I'm so excited for this one. I don't even know if you can see it, lovelies, but yes. And now let's move on with this math box. I really love reading this booklet. This month box, it says, at Glossy HQ, we of course love trying out the newest must-have cosmetics and playing around with the most popular makeup trends. But our aim is always to help every Glossy feel as confident as possible, with or without their beauty bag to hand. Forget perfect, forget beauty ideas. We want you to truly feel wonderful in your own skin and embrace your every little bit of yourself, from the parts you adore to the imperfection you may not always feel so thrilled about. So to help you embrace your stunning self, this month we have curated an edit of products that champion this positive outlook. Because there's beauty in the unique, there's beauty in diversity, and there's beauty in you. In you exactly how you right now. Which is Emily, which is the beauty editor. I really love this month theme, to be honest. I'm not wearing makeup at the moment because I'm not wearing makeup for like 4 days now, because I feel like my skin is stressing at the moment, so I want my skin to breathe a bit. So that's why I don't wear a lot of makeup at the moment. So yes, I think my skin is alright at the moment, so I didn't bother to put on my makeup. And I'll be honest, I'm at home at the moment and I'm just relaxing. And yes, the products inside Lovelies, it says here it's worth over 50 pounds. We will see it. And then we have this orangey yellowish tissue paper. So let's start first, Lovelies, with the spoiler for this month. And this is from Balance Me, the BHA exfoliating concentrate. This has 30 ml, which is just a deluxe sample size, and this one is worth 10 pounds. The full size, which is 180 ml, it's rated for 26 pounds. And it says, further love the skin you are in with this BHA exfoliating concentrate, aiding you in removing dead skin cells, battling blemishes, and improving hydration. Rich in salicylic acid and fast-acting, fast-absorbing, and will reveal healthy radiant layers of skin. So this is the first product, and honestly, Lovelies, Balance Me is not my favorite brand. I tried few of their products, but it didn't work on my skin. But I know some people, this brand, they really do like it. So yes, this is the first product. And then the next one we have here, and this is from Mindtan Body Skin. This is the exfoliating scrub for buttery smooth soft skin. It has 30 grams. So this is just a deluxe sample size. And this one, it's rated for £9.95. The full size, which is 200 grams, it's rated for £12.95. And it says exfoliate and revitalize your skin with this full body caffeine kick. Buff on freshly ground coffee to smooth your skin and target unwanted dry skin too. Enriched with ultra hydrating sweet almond and macadamia oils, your skin will be left feeling also buttery soft, smooth, and glowy. I tried this one before and it's really nice. It smells coffee. Yes, it's a really nice product, but it's not really my favorite one. And then the next one we have, which is I'm really excited to try. This is from Daily Concept Daily Round Silicone Scrubber. So here we go. And this is a full size. Let's see inside. Ooh. It feels like gummy. It's not really harsh. I don't feel harsh at all. So yes, really excited to try this. And this is a full size, and this one is rated for 16 pounds. And I really do like that it has kind of thing that you can put your fingers on, so it doesn't go anywhere. And this one, it says, we could not give you a gorgeous body scrub without giving us a super handy body scrubber to use it with. Pair this silicone tool with your Mindtan scrub. Not only gently exfoliate the skin, but to also allow yourself to enjoy the feeling of a massage. Really can't wait to try it. It feels really like silicone-y, kind of soft. It's not really harsh. I love it. It's not really harsh. So yes, can't wait to try that one. And then the next one we have, and I'm really excited to try this one too. It's from Grace and Stella, and everything is better in pink. Here we go. Product. I really like that they put also the expiration date. So this one, it has one pair, and it's rated for £3, and it says focus on firming and hydrating the under eyes. These pretty pink eye patches draw in moisture to even the deepest layers of the skin. Powerful antioxidant help protect skin from blue light exposure, while other key ingredients help maintain healthy and blood circulation and strengthen capillaries. Bye bye dark circle. As I said, I can't wait to try this because I tried few of Grace and Stella product and under eye, and they are really good, like for moisturizing under eye area. It doesn't help for the puffiness or for the dark circle, but it does moisture. So can't wait to try this one. I'm not sure if it's the same product because this is the collagen boosting eye mask, and I don't remember which one I tried, but yes, can't wait to try this. And then the last product we have in this box, we have from Sophia and Mabel. We are blushing creamy blush stick. I love this kind of product. As you know, in summer I usually use only like creamy blush or liquid brush because they are like easily to apply, and through the year I usually apply it under my powder because I think my powder blush, it will last throughout the day if I applied some liquid or like stick blush underneath. So yes, this is the outer packaging, and it is, I think this is in the shade Blossoming. So here we go, really cute packaging. Ooh, like the shade. It's like a goldy orange. I'm not sure if you can even see it, lovely. But yeah, it's really a nice shade. Perfect for summer. It has that metallic golden shade. It's like a peachy shade, but it has that metallic golden undertone. I love this product. Can't wait to try this. And this one, I think it's a full size, and this one is rated for £13, and it says add a beautiful pink tone to your cheeks. Yes, I think there's a like a kind of a pink tone, but I would say it's like a peachy and metallic gold undertone. And it says, even on days when you're feeling a stripped back makeup look, with this cream stick blush in stunning shade Blossoming, it's perfect for occasion. We love it so much. We are blushing. And I know, lovelies, some of you, like if you're a mom or if you like just need to pop up outside and you want some color on your face, I usually applied some blush like liquid or like a stick because they are easily to apply. You just need to pop a bit on your cheek and then blend it with your hands, and that's it. You can go out with that product. You can use this one also as a lipstick on. So yes, it's like a multi-use, and you can bring this one to travel. So yes, I really love this kind of product. So yes, that's it, lovelies. As you can see, we have 5 products here, and let's do a recap. So we have from Balance Me, the BH exfoliating concentrate. To be honest, I tried this product before. It doesn't work on my skin, and most of the product that I tried from this brand, it never works for my skin. So this is not really for my skin, so I give it away, this one. And then the Mind Tan Coffee Scrub exfoliating one, I tried before. It's a good product, but it's not really my favorite one, but I will still use it because I think this product, because after I use this one, my skin feels really soft and smooth. So yes, and this is perfect also, lovelies, if you're like using fake tan. Before using fake tan, I think you need to exfoliate first. If you use first this one and then fake tan, and then you will receive also from Grace and Stella the Everything is Better in Pink Collagen Boosting Eye Mask, 1 pair. And then you will receive a full size from Daily Concept Daily Round Silicone Scrubber. And then we received also the We Are Blushing one in the shade Blossoming, which is this shade here. Beautiful shade, so pretty. So yes, overall lovelies, this month I really love the theme. I really loved all this color. It reminds me of summer. Box is so pretty, and overall 4 of 5 products I will definitely use. The only thing I will not use because it doesn't work on my skin, it's from Balance Me. But overall, I'm really excited to try this one. I really do like this one. If the one that I tried before is this one, I really do love it, but I can't wait to try this one too. This one is perfect for summer. Summer's coming, so this is perfect time. And the scrub one, yes, it's a good one. So yes, definitely for me this month, so it's a thumbs up. Yes, that's all for my lovelies. What do you think of this month box? Are you waiting for this box? Are you thinking to subscribe to Glossybox? If yes, lovelies, I have my referral code, which is JAYCA, JAYCA, and you will get this box for only £10, which is a bargain in my opinion, because the products inside is worth over £50. All the info, as always, all the link will be in the description box below. And that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.